the best chef?
I mean, Spencer's going to say he's the best chef because he did MasterChef once and didn't win.
We're going to put you to the test. Right? Just hold that thought. Are we going to do crispy chili beef, or are we going to do chicken katsu curry, or Gousto's creamy haddock linguine with tomatoes and chilli?
Oh yeah, linguine.
That gets
I
my
feel
vote.
like pasta, yeah.
A large wide base pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
How convenient. There's one right here. Hang on, perfect.
We need to get the fish in the pan,
I think we need more oil in them.
I would like you to finely chop the garlic.
Now, this is something I'm not overly confident about.
Do you want me to have a crack at the garlic?
I mean, as much as it pains me, okay.
Okay.
What does Spencer do for you that's incredible in the kitchen?
Scallops with a cauliflower puree. He's good at purees because Theodore is starting to eat, so Theodore gets a puree.
Can we go back to when you guys met? What went on there?
We met on the jump.
Yeah.
A ski jumping show.
I ruptured my ACL, which left a path for Spencer to be victorious on the jump.
You won, Spencer.
I did. I hate
wow.
bringing it up. Honestly, it's such a nightmare having to talk about all these shows and these near victories and stuff, you know. And we're both enjoying life as single people, and we both kind of fought off the relationship a bit, didn't we? And then
I fought it off a bit more, though, I'd say.
I didn't realise that was a competition. You know, to begin with, I don't think either of us were particularly interested.
Both winners in the relationship.
Exactly.
We need those cherry tomatoes to get going.
Svenny, is this fish cooked?
Yeah.
Get the fish
Haddock's
out.
coming out.
Add the chopped garlic, chili flakes.
What's the moussaka story?
First time Vogue had cooked, so we had some guests round,
Right.
and it was Vogue was cooking moussaka, which I'll give to her was all right.
And I'd never cooked moussaka before.
Apart from the fact that she managed to melt an entire plastic container in it somehow.
What, like a Tupperware? Like cheese?
Yeah.
Like it's somewhere, I put. Do you know what I think happened? I'd gotten a new blender thing, a blender and I think that there was plastic inside the blender that I was meant to take out and throw in the bin before using said blender.
Blender's fault.
I blended the plastic as well. Plastaka, but everybody ate it because it was actually.
You ate it?
Everyone ate it because it was so delicious.
But how would you describe your cooking styles? Let's start with you, Spencer.
I quite like being a bit experimental in the kitchen. I made Vogue some pasta the other night with a mushroom sauce.
What about you,
Yeah.
Vogue?
Say 5 or 10 dishes that I would like go between.
It's not moussaka.
It's not moussaka.
We need stock.
I made the stock.
Oh, you made it?
Yeah.
In it goes.
In it goes.
Next is clotted cream and half the chives.
All of the clotted cream.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone for it.
Yeah.
He's gone for it. Chive Bay.
I'll allow it because it's
Chive
not our
bay.
kitchen you're dirtying.
Profesh.
So
Yeah.
profesh.
What's changed since you've had a kid?
Like, well, obviously your responsibility goes up a notch. You know, you put yourself not first. Really strange.
Yeah, you've struggled with that, haven't you?
Yeah, I mean,
It's been a real process.
The world no longer revolves around me. And to be honest, it's really weird. It's made easy by the fact that he's a little legend.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
Doesn't it just?
Get that in.
This sauce as well is that it feels, hopefully tastes quite big, like it's got big flavours and it's really, really easy to make.
I have to say, it looks delicious.
Yeah. What would be your dream dish?
Since I went to college, when I was like 18, it's been pasta pesto. I had pasta pesto yesterday.
It's a
And I
classic,
had it the
isn't
day
it?
before. I love it.
This is the closest I've got to a dinner party since having a baby.
Yum.
Oh, that's good.
Cheers.
Cheers.